Wait, are they rolling?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm so scared. Hello everyone, my name's Rowdy with Factory Farming Awareness Coalition.
I'm Jeffrey Harris with Plant Power Fast Food.
On December 9th, we are hosting our end of year event called the Holiday Jam, and one segment on that show will be what's called the Hot Goss. Eating very painfully spicy nuggets from
Plant Power Fast Food.
I'm really scared. It's hard for me to formulate words and sentences right now because I'm really scared. So you'll have to tune into the event to see how this goes.
I'm truly scared.
So December 9th, come check out the debut episode of the Hot Goss. We're going to talk about the future of fast food. We're going to talk about how education and awareness intersects with people who are paving the way for new consumption in our country. It's going to be an event unlike any other, so we hope to see you there. Jeff, any parting words?
I'm scared.